trust, believe and follow Islam. Same time, I never converted as a Muslim because of my parents. So I would like to know, what should I do about it? I am working at health and life insurance company in Sri Lanka. A company invests the premiums for government treasury bonds and doing more business like electronic devices, hospital foods, cities, exports and imports, etc. I sell more policies without any kind of extra money. They only get what they saved for entire term at maturity. In them, hospitalization, they can settle the hospital bill by using a policy. In death or disability, they can claim some extra bonus. If someone thinks it's interest, what can I do for it? The question posed by Rushan from Sri Lanka, that he is Hindu by birth but never believed in Hinduism full life, and he believes in Islam, same time never converted as a Muslim because of parents. So like to know, what should I do? If you believe in Islam and you believe in the teachings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the last and final message, my first request to you would be that see to it you accept Islam. As long as you believe there's one God, and you believe there's no one else that deserves worship, and you believe that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God, then my request to you would be that immediately, as soon as possible, accept Islam, because we do not know how long we will live. I am not sure whether I'll live tomorrow, whether I'll see tomorrow or not. So, as you said, you studied Islam and you agree with it and you want to accept Islam. My request to you would be, see to it that you don't delay. Don't wait for the right occasion or on some birthday of someone else, or don't wait that you'll do it later on. My advice to you would be that see to it that you accept Islam as soon as possible. Coming to a second question, that you involved in some of the transactions which involves in riba, there's insurance. There are two types of insurance. One is the general insurance which is there, and the other is Islamic insurance called as takaful. So if you involve and if you put something in takaful or Islamic insurance which takes care of you, but if you go to the conventional insurance, it deals with riba and they will have a different line, and that's not acceptable in Islam because riba is a major sin. So what you have to do is, if dealing with conventional insurance, we deal with riba, you should leave it and see to it that don't do it again. But if it is somewhat like based on Islamic Sharia, if it's takaful, then there is no problem and it's permitted. Hope that answers the question.